Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sushmita Singh and
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.
in today's video I'm gonna just show you guys like how you can curl your hair without any heat. Actually I saw this video on YouTube and it's Elena Smith. I'll link her channel in the description box so you guys can check it out. I saw her video and she just used socks to curl her hair, and the way it turned out, it was really very amazing. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna try this out and see if it's actually work or not. And personally I love curls, but I don't like to damage my hair or use any kind of heat in my hair. So that's all. So without any further ado, let's just not use any serum, but I'm gonna use this serum from Strix Professional, and it's for Vita Rich Gloss Hair Serum. I really love this serum and it smells so amazing. So I'm just gonna use it a bit. So now I'm done with the serum part. So now I'm just gonna do the middle partition in my hair because she also does the middle partition thing. And what else he did was just he did the partition thing, and it was made one, two, like this, just to separate her hair. And from here, she just made two parts. One she just separate
I think that I'm matched with all your colors.
this.
Surrounded, all up in your zone, I am surrounded. 'Cause I like the way when you're around in the morning, and I love the way that we fit out when it gets boring. You're the one
Did it like her.
that hit my
And now what she did instead,
one when you need. Just
put
somebody
her hair like this.
right by your side, a body to rescue your mind.
Just roll them like this.
I'm the one
At this moment she used her sauce, so I'm using that.
to rescue your mind. So I'm just tying it up like this. Mine one is not like her exactly. See, her was very tight and mine is loose, so so guys, somehow I actually managed to do them. I don't really know how it's gonna turn out in the morning because mine isn't like her. Her was very tight. She tied them in a V tight, but mine is way too loose. So I'm just hoping that they're gonna turn out in something nice. I just hope my energy won't go in a vain. So
that's all. So guys, now it's morning 9 o'clock and I just woke up. I do my brushing thing and all. So now I'm just gonna open it and see how it's gonna turn out.
I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear.
So as you all guys can see, like this side looks beautiful and it turns out like her, but this one doesn't turn out like that. So yeah, that's how it turned out, and I think I wasn't able to tie that in just the way she did it, so that's why this is the difference. But I like this side, it looks more voluminous and it's perfect, but this side isn't that. So yes, that's the outcome. It comes out two different way. And yes, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and yes, that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to comment down what you